Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of the Advanced CapCut tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 7, where we'll be using green screen. So over here into this particular chapter, I'll be showing you guys that how you can use green screen inside your videos. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So over here, as you guys can see now, this is the workspace of CapCut. And now I'm gonna change its name to green screen. Okay, so I'll just click outside right over here and let's import some videos. So here, as you guys can see, I already have these green screen videos. And also I can choose that inside this green screen, what do I want to put exactly? Okay, so let's come here. Let's put out this video in one and let's put out this video in one as well. So let's import 4 of these videos right over here. And now, what I mean by green screen is basically that the green screen, which you can see right over here, will basically be imported like this particular video will be shown in this particular space. Okay, so to do that, the first thing what you can do is you can import those videos. Let's say I want to import this particular video right over here, or well, I don't want to import 4 of this video. Let's delete all of this because it was selected at once. So I'm going to import this video right over here in the timeline and this video over here as well. And the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to import this green screen video, and also I'm going to import this green screen video as well. And now likewise, I will just stream out the videos according to the duration of the green screen, and make sure that you keep your green screen on top of the video in which you want to import that. Okay. And the next thing after that is let's go on to that particular video. And after that, you guys can click on the video option into the properties panel, and once you click on video, now the next thing you click on remove BG, which is remove background. Okay. So now I am in the remove background option. And next thing, click on the chroma key. And now click on to this color picker option. Okay. So let's click on this color picker. And now I will just click on this particular option, and you guys can select the level of intensity, how much you do want it. Okay, so let's go and let's choose the intensity, which is going to be around 15. And now I will just take this particular video, and what I can do is I can just decrease the size accordingly. Okay, so let's come here. If I do totally want to fit this particular video, okay, I can come here and I can just totally feed this video over here on my screen. So here now you guys can actually choose accordingly. Okay, so let's come here. Let's go to this basic option. So let's take out this video. And if you do want to trim it more, you can trim it more as well. Okay, so let me just keep it somewhere right over here. And that kind of looks good. Let's take this video as well and let's increase the size over here. And now if I just play this video, you guys can see that it eventually shows that this particular video is actually being played. Okay, so now let's come over here, and the same way what I'm gonna do is I do want to show this particular video. over here into this green screen. So the same way, I am going to select the first green screen video. Now let's go to remove background. Let's click on chroma key, and now I am going to select the color picker, and now I am going to click, and here you guys can see I have already chose the color intensity. If you do want to increase it, you can increase the color intensity as well. Let me just go somewhere around 50%. Now let's go to this setup video, and if you do want to feed this particular video, okay, so you guys can just feed this particular video inside the screen as well. Okay, so let me just feed this particular thing accordingly. Now let's go to this basic option, and if you do want to position it properly, you guys can position it properly as well. So here you guys can see you basically do have the scaling option. Let me just go with 50%, and if you don't want uniform scaling, you guys can just select particularly the width. Okay, let me just keep the width from here, and also let's eventually change it. Let's go with 43, and yeah, 49 is fine. And the same way with this video, let me bring my cursor right over here, and I'll just turn off uniform scaling. Let's increase the width, and let's increase the height. Okay, so I will just increase the height of this particular video as well. And yeah, this kind of looks good. And if you do want to position it again, you guys can position it again as well. So now let's see how this whole thing actually looks. Let's play this thing. You guys can see this particular video is also being played in this particular green screen, which I have chosen. Okay, and again, right over here, let's see the kind of transition. Okay, so the transition is not that great, what I felt. Okay, so you guys can just place it somewhere right over here. Let's see the transition. Let's place it. Let's just place it right over here. The same way I'm going to place up the video. Let's play it up, and a black screen basically appears. So you can just fix it with any kind of transition you like. Okay, let me just play this particular transition over here in between. Okay, so I'll just click on OK, and I will just apply it right over here. Let's see how it actually looks. And that is how it looks. And if you do want to place it, okay, if you do want to place it over here as well, okay, like let's come here, and I will just apply it. Let's see, by applying both of this, and yeah, now it kind of looks a lot better than how it was looking before. Okay, so you guys can see two videos are being played in the same frame using a green screen. So that is basically the work of a green screen. And if you are not able to find green screen, okay, so there are different options. You guys can just go to import, go to stock materials, and from here let's click on trending. And if I just try to search green screen, let's click on enter. You guys can see there are a lot of videos of green screen, so you guys can use this. Maybe you can use this as well. And eventually, if you don't like any right from here, you can also go into your Chrome, and from here you guys can just type free green screen videos. So you will have a lot of these websites There is Pixabay, there is Mixkit, Pixels, Vectz, VDZ. Okay, you guys can just go to any other of this website and you guys can check these videos which is there as well under these green screen options. Okay, so you guys can just take this and basically can work on with all of these videos. And yeah, I hope you guys to have understood. Now let's go to audio and let's see, and let's import this particular audio right over here. Now let me just split. So let's split it right over here. Let's select. Now let's delete this one and let's zoom to fit over here in the timeline. Okay, so once this is done, now the last thing is that I need to export this. So this is the simplest way of how you can use green screen to make some stunning videos inside CapCut. So I hope to see you all in the next chapter where we're gonna learn a lot more about CapCut and creating different advanced videos using it. So see you all. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.